We are in the Little America Hotel in Salt Lake City, Utah. Haven't filmed in this city in several years. Sorry about that. And we've got some elevators here modded by Otis.
Location. Oh, the second floor. Thank you.
Okay, let's take a stair.
No, we can do an elevator.
Yeah, check it later. Okay.
We're here.
Looks like we'll get this one. We'll let these guys go. And we'll take this one. Here we are.
Because it has to go through custom.
Going up?
Yes.
Okay.
I got you.
Oh, thank you.
Fifth floor.
Have a good one.
Just wait, I'll just wait here.
Oh, you need, should I wait with this open?
No, no.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
No problem. These are really cool, actually. I like these.
Seventeenth.
What a really neat cab. These are cool. I like these. These are really neat. This is a nice hotel. There's the lobby, or the guest areas. Okay, y'all coming down?
Definitely forget to pull it down.
Lobby?
Yes, please. Not to ruin your video.
No, don't worry about it. I'm just getting a project.
Second floor.
Let's take the stairs.
Okay.
I guess they didn't want to be around the camera.
Floor.
Look at these cabs though. These are nice. Going down. Oh, okay. I like these.
Parking. Level 2.
There's your panels. These are nice. Hold up. Oh, these were former Westinghouse, not Otis. That's a Westy sill. Well, anyway. Oh wow, even the parking levels are kind of fancy. Anyway, that's it.